Okay, a 3-ton lorry. Install two-way DVR function. DVR recorder. This is a reverse camera, rear camera. Also can use for the driving video recorder for reverse view and reverse parking view. 2-in-1 version. It's a full screen. It's got a full screen view. This is a two-way DVR, a front camera, front recorder. So it's got a clip-on existing original mirror. Reverse. A full screen reverse view. Okay, turn to normal. Okay, it's a full touchscreen function. Car DVR. Now it's a front camera. Okay, you can change for reverse view, rear camera view. Okay, sound recording. Back. Stream video. Brightness adjust. Angle adjust. A playback, so you have to insert the SD card. Got a micro SD card slot. Setting. Set your date and time. Okay, screensaver. After 30 seconds, the screen will turn off, so become a normal rear view screen. Change language. Restoration. A roof recording. You can select 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minute. Okay, night vision. Turn on or off. G sensor, park mode. Okay, back. So this is two-way DVR recorder, a front and rear camera recorder, driving video recorder, a full screen view. Show you again for reverse. So this is reverse view. Okay, back to normal. Front view. "30-second screen view auto off." Okay, installed by one piece. Video by Andy. Thank you.